Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is made with a high percentage of cocoa solids and very little or no milk. It has a deep, slightly bitter taste that comes from the cacao bean itself. The higher the cocoa percentage, the stronger and less sweet it feels. It is often seen as a more pure form of chocolate and is commonly used in baking, desserts, and also eaten on its own for its rich flavor. Milk chocolate. Milk chocolate blends cocoa solids with milk powder or condensed milk, creating a smoother and sweeter taste. It is softer in texture and much more approachable for most people compared to dark chocolate. This type became widely popular in the late 19th century when milk was first added to chocolate, and today it is the most common form used in candy bars and everyday treats. White chocolate. White chocolate contains cocoa butter but no cocoa solids, which is why it has a pale, creamy color. Its flavor is sweet and milky, without the bitterness found in darker varieties. Even though it comes from the cocoa bean, some people debate whether it should be called chocolate at all. It is often used in desserts, coatings, and decorative sweets. Ruby chocolate. Ruby chocolate is a newer type, known for its natural pink color and slightly fruity taste. It is made from specially processed cocoa beans that give it a unique flavor without adding artificial colors or fruit flavors. The taste sits somewhere between dark and white chocolate, offering a gentle balance of sweetness and mild tartness. Couverture chocolate. Couverture chocolate is a high-quality chocolate that contains a higher percentage of cocoa butter. This extra cocoa butter makes it smoother and easier to melt, giving it a glossy finish when used in desserts. It is commonly used by professional chefs and chocolatiers for coating truffles, dipping fruits, and making fine pastries. Compound chocolate. Compound chocolate replaces cocoa butter with vegetable fats, making it cheaper and easier to work with. It melts quickly and does not require careful temperature control like real chocolate. While it lacks the depth of flavor found in couverture, it is widely used in mass-produced candies, bakery items, and coatings. Unsweetened chocolate. Unsweetened chocolate, also called baking chocolate, contains only cocoa solids and cocoa butter with no added sugar. It has a very strong and bitter taste, making it unsuitable for eating on its own. It is mainly used in baking recipes, where sugar and other ingredients are added separately to control the final flavor. Bittersweet chocolate. Bittersweet chocolate sits between dark and semi-sweet chocolate in terms of sweetness. It contains a high amount of cocoa, but still includes some sugar to balance the bitterness. This type is often used in baking and desserts, where a rich chocolate flavor is desired without being overly sweet. Semi-sweet chocolate. Semi-sweet chocolate is slightly sweeter than bittersweet chocolate and is commonly used in chocolate chips. It provides a balanced taste that works well in cookies, cakes, and other baked goods. Its familiar flavor makes it one of the most widely used chocolates in home kitchens. Gianduja chocolate. Gianduja chocolate is a blend of chocolate and finely ground hazelnuts. This combination creates a smooth, nutty flavor and a soft texture that melts easily. It originated in Italy and is often used in spreads, pralines, and filled chocolates.